Talk about earning Sister of the Year award. Madison Malaga, an interior designer, traveled to New York City to surprise her sister Rylee with the ultimate gift.
My little sister just moved to New York all by herself, and on her birthday that I surprised her by completely decorating her apartment for her.
Rylee just moved to the Big Apple into a tiny 200 square foot apartment, basically a shoebox as any New Yorker knows too well, and Madison decided to get very creative with the space, putting her skills to use and transforming the apartment into a luxury haven by thrifting items and furniture. And this is just incredible. On a budget too, Madison went to thrift stores and took pieces of wood she found on the side of the street to create floating shelves. She even got creative with vintage frames that she found by ripping pages from a sketchbook. The end result is nothing short of magical. You can see the shelves, the art frame, the white couch, and the divider curtain between the bedroom and the living area, which shows a seamless and effortlessly beautiful living situation. Her sister seemed shocked at the beautiful transformation in a social media video that has now garnered millions of views. And it goes to show you can do a lot with a little bit of space, and you don't necessarily need to break the bank to create a chic living situation for yourself. You just need a little imagination.